It's stylish. It's cheap. It's everywhere. Fast fashion promises trendy looks at unbeatable prices. But what if I told you that every $5 t-shirt comes with a cost far greater than what's on the tag? Today on News Nexus, we're uncovering the true cost of fast fashion. From environmental devastation to labor exploitation, and even its impact on your own wallet. This isn't just about clothes. It's about the world we're weaving, one stitch at a time. Fast fashion refers to the rapid production of inexpensive, trend-driven clothing designed to move from the catwalk to store shelves in a matter of days. Brands like Zara, Forever 21, and Shein have pioneered a model where new collections are released weekly. This creates a cycle of constant consumption. Clothes are cheaper, but also more disposable. Today, the average consumer buys 60% more clothing than they did 15 years ago and keeps each item for only half as long. Textile dyeing is the second largest polluter of clean water globally, after agriculture. The dyeing process releases toxic chemicals into rivers, affecting aquatic life and the communities that depend on these water sources. Each year, the world generates over 92 million tons of textile waste. A truckload of clothing is burned or buried every second. Only about 15% of clothing is recycled or donated. The fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions, more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. That $10 polyester dress? It likely consumed over 700 gallons of water and relied heavily on fossil fuels to produce. Behind every fast fashion item is a human being, usually a woman, earning less than $3 a day, often working 14 to 16 hours in unsafe conditions. In 2013, the Rana Plaza factory in Bangladesh collapsed, killing 1,134 workers. The building had visible cracks, yet workers were forced to return. Why? Because the global demand for cheap clothing left no room for safety. Most garment workers have no contracts, no sick leave, no unions, and face routine harassment. They said if I complained, they would fire me. I have to feed my children. Exposure to toxic dyes, poor ventilation, and physical strain cause chronic illnesses and injuries, unreported, untreated, and ignored. Fast fashion doesn't just exploit workers, it exploits consumers too. Shopping has become a quick fix for dopamine, a short-lived high from buying, followed by guilt or regret. 1 in 3 young women in the UK considers an item old after wearing it just once or twice. Endless trends create decision fatigue, clutter, and even anxiety. We buy more and feel worse. Many brands now promote sustainable collections. But don't be fooled. Often these lines make up less than 5% of a brand's overall production. This is greenwashing, designed to ease our guilt without changing their practices. Without transparency and third-party audits, sustainability claims are often little more than marketing tactics. It's the world's poorest, our planet, and future generations that bear the real cost of our cheap clothing. Fashion was once about creativity and craftsmanship. Now it's about speed and sacrifice. Buy less, invest in quality, choose timeless over trendy, support ethical brands, look for fair trade certification, organic cotton and transparent supply chains. Learn to sew a button, mend a tear, repurpose old garments, repair, reuse, and recycle. Fast fashion is a race to the bottom, but we don't have to keep running. Our choices matter. Let's choose fashion that respects people, protects the planet, and redefines what it means to have style. If this video made you think, like, comment, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to News Nexus for more in-depth insights into the issues that shape our world.